Thanks, John Hart. Augie always loves CTG Day. Our question this week is, what's the difference between meteorological and astronomical winter? Astronomical seasons are based on Earth's position relative to the sun. Think summer and winter solstice and spring and autumn equinox dates. And meteorological seasons are based on weather cycles. We generally think of winter as a cold time of year, but we could get an early or late cold front well outside of astronomical winter. Also confusing might be the use of the terms frost, freeze, and hard freeze. Frost is a term generally used to convey that temperatures got cold enough for dew to briefly freeze, while a freeze conveys a longer period of time around the freezing mark of 32 degrees. And we use the term hard freeze to convey that temperatures were several degrees below freezing for a long enough period of time to inflict damage. Nuances of just a few degrees can make a lot of difference in the landscape. We also talk about a plant's hardiness, which is how we convey information on how much cold a plant can take and still survive. You'll often see a plant's hardiness zone listed on its label, and here in Central Texas, we're listed as Zone 8. And container plants are more susceptible to freezing temperatures because their roots are more exposed to the cold air circulating around the container. So if you can't move your citrus or other cold tender plants out of the cold, you'll want to protect them with floating row cover. Next, Joanne Printy has another great question. She's got a wooden planter that the builder lined with metal many years ago, drilling in drainage holes. The past few years, she's used it to store old garden tools, and a bit of rust has formed. Can she use it for herbs again? Yes. To assist with drainage, I'd suggest lining the bottom with about 1 inch of pea gravel before adding potting soil. We'd love to hear from you. Click on centraltexasgardener.org to send us your stories, pictures, and videos.